This is a 2007 Toyota Camry. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, a clean non-smoker interior. All of the following features are included: a power driver's seat, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, a rear window defroster, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 67,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile pays off in the long run. Not to mention that this Toyota qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Momentum Toyota Northwest is located at 8401 Northwest Expressway in Oklahoma City. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.